Hello, YouTuber. After several testing my Snowdog, I think I need a seat for this Snowdog because when I driving, I stand up on the sled. It's kind of like very easy to make me feel tired. So I checked the Snowdog OEM seat. Uh, right now the price is very expensive for Canada. The Canadian dollar before tax is $419. So I guess plus tax, then adding some shipping fee, this seat will be over $500. Yes, $500 Canadian dollar. A bit too expensive for me. I think yeah. I mean, so I decided to DIY, and so I think look at this seat, and this seat I can see they're just sitting on edge of the sled, so they don't have vertical support. So look like this sled is enough, can support the weight. Okay, so my design will be on two sides of the sled. I put 2x2 about 24-inch long both sides, and use a bolt on edge, almost flush with the edge of the sled. So, and then on the crossbeam, I plan to put a 2x8 lumber press treat. Okay, so that will be dramatically decrease the cost by DIY this project. And then, okay, I do a search, so you can see this. I can buy this 6-inch bar stool swivel plate, so I can turn it around just like this chair. I can turn it around. Okay, then online I can see around this usually buy like two of set, the price around over 120 something, so $60 to $70. Then this is hardware, and I think since I use this 2x like half inch, 3-inch, so no, I mean 2.5-inch. For I will buy this stainless steel screw, and then this is nylon lock nut fit for this knife. This is about 110 packs. So yeah, and then I buy a washer. Okay, so this setup is for side loading, for to fix the 2x2 on the sled. Okay, and this bolt I believe I use 50mm. Yeah, usually I buy a set of that. So that's fix is for the seat, swivel hardware to fix to the seat. Okay, and no, actually is a crossbeam fixed to the swivel hardware, and the chair come with the bolt to fix on the swivel hardware to the seat. Okay, so basically this seat come with a bolt to be able to fix this one. Okay, then you need to attach in here. You attach the drill through the hole and attach to the crossbeam, 2x8 beam. You can use 2x6, I think, as well. It's okay. And yeah, this is hardware. And of course, I use because since I use this M6 This is M6 nylon lock. So here I just listed this 2x2, right? You can buy from Rona, you'll be in Canada. So 2x8, right? I think I cut about a 28 inch cross. I forgot that. So okay, yeah, so basically this is a material list. I make that, and then you can later you can see I doing testing, and so far so good, and overall cost me about 100-ish to do this DIY. So compared with $500, so I guess about save $400. It's worth to do a DIY. Okay. I think I need a good pad. It's so cold here, right? You need a oh, YouTuber, look this guy. Huh? What do you feel? Cold. Cold. You need a gear, much better winter gear. Okay. See. Yesterday I made this DIY stuff. Yeah. See. I can swirl, flip. That's exactly like an OEM chair. I use 2x2. I think it's 2x8, I guess. Or 2x6. 2x8. Yeah, 2x8. Yeah. And you just bolt, a 1/4-inch bolt. Yeah. And yeah, with a washer. This I just temporarily fix on it. Okay, next I can put a pin to like adjust the distance, right? Yeah, overall I think it's good. No more. All right.